Guys, let's eat! Ito yung pinaghirapan ng buong team na sinamahan nila ako mamalengke kaninang umaga. Ito po ay nabibili ko lang po sa internet. Nakita ko po dito sa birth certificate ko po, Hilot.
Hindi ko po tinatanong yung proseso ng papanganak sa inyo. Saan po? Saan pong lugar sa Pilipinas?
Pasensya ka na, Sen Rafi. Ayaw ko po sisihin yung tatay ko. Mahal ko po ang tatay ko.
Wala po tayo, madam, wag niyo pong ilalayo yung topic. Wala pong kami sinisisi rito.
Miss Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go has indeed left the Philippines. She most likely passed through a back door.
The second story is even more outlandish. It's about Alice Go.
On or about 1 o'clock a.m., 4 September, Alice Go, also known as Go Huaping, was arrested in Tangerang City, Jakarta, Indonesia.
This was the president of the Philippines. He thanked police officials in Indonesia for capturing a wanted fugitive. Her name is Alice Go. She's another suspected Chinese spy.
What happened?
Huh? Nothing happened. You just follow us, okay?
Okay, let me change. Let me left.
An Indonesian Interpol official says she had up to 6 foreign protectors who handled her online transactions and was offered refuge at a monk's house before her arrest.
Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Hey, there's a look in your eyes.
Iyan ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayong araw at abangan nyo ang ilan pang interesting na video na ipapalabas ko sa aking channel. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video, pakiclick ang subscribe button at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.